This video is what happened in Nsuka in Enugu State before the kidnap of MNk. You can see how people were so happy about Biafra, because some people say that when referendum take place, if they conduct referendum, that the tendency of Igbos voting against it, some people voting against it, is high. And that is a lie. That's the reason why I dig out this video, for people to understand that deep down everybody's mind, it is all about freedom and Biafra. Anybody that is from Igbo that tells you that he's not interested in Biafra, that he don't want Biafra and all that is a very big lie. Anyone that said that kind of thing is not telling himself truth, because you can see how market women or Kada people, everybody were so happy, you know. I coming of Biafran youths dressed in Biafran costume. You can see how they dress in Biafran costume, marching in the streets, showing the people the Biafran color and everything about Biafran, and everybody came out, they were so happy. What happened now? This is IPOB during the time of MNk before he was kidnapped. You can see how everybody, how they were, unite together. Everybody's having the same agenda, the same goal. What happened to this IPOB after the kidnap of MNk? The same people that were, shouting Biafran, Biafran, where are they today? Let me not waste much of our time. I don't want to waste much of your time. Just watch the video and tell me what you think about it on comment section.
ụmụ Chineke ụmụ Chineke ụmụ Chineke ụmụ Chineke ụmụ Chineke Enugu Ezike ọ na-eme live n'Enugu Ezike ọ na-eme live n'Enugu Ezike ọ na-eme live n'Enugu Ezike IPOB one family IPOB one family IPOB Enugu Ezike ndị ọma ga-aba mba IPOB Masquerade nọ n'ọgbọ o mee live Enugu Ezike o mee live n'Enugu Ezike onye chechi ọfụnanya onye chechi ọfụnanya ụmụ Chineke na-aga ụmụ Chineke na-aga ụmụ Chineke na-aga ụmụ Chineke ndị nsọ ụmụ Chineke ndị ọma ụmụ Chineke ndị ọma ụmụ Chineke ndị nsọ ụmụ Chineke ndị nsọ IPOB one family IPOB one family ụmụ Chineke ndị ọma ụmụ Chineke ndị nsọ 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 mgbagadịrị na mma mgbagadịrị na mma mgbagadịrị. We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you! People are happy! People are happy! People are happy! People are happy! Enugu Ezike dey happy! Enugu Ezike dey happy! Unu dey happy! Unu dey happy! Unu dey happy! Yeah! Ụmụ Chineke nọ n'ọgbọ! Ụmụ Chineke nọ n'ọgbọ n'ịsa.
I believe you have seen the video. You have seen how people were so happy and, rejoicing at seeing the Biafrans in Biafran costume. You have seen it all. Now, if not Simon Ekpa, Biafran agitation and everything, Biafran freedom and everything would have died a natural death because of bad management of DOS and the criminal gang in the midst. And although it had been pointed out that most of them are the one responsible for kidnap of MNk, because before MNk was kidnapped, the Nigerian government placed a bounty on him, saying that if you catch him and you do this and do that, they're gonna give you so amount. Of course, as an Igbo man, many criminals jumped out. People that MNk was, considering to be the hardcore, they're all criminals. That is what happened, that Biafranization, it turned out to be what it was before someone ever picked it up and made everyone proud at that moment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, share and comment. See you on my next video. Tell me what you think about the Biafran and the effort of Simon Ekpa after the kidnap of MNk. And I would like to hear, and I would like to read, I would like to see your opinion on comment section. Take care. Bye bye.